I'm Erika Harris. I am an attorney at Watson Spence. I practice in products liability in three primary areas: lemon law, consumer breach of warranty cases, and defects. Separate from that, I do a little bit of civil litigation and very little criminal defense. I went to undergrad at Kennesaw State University. A couple years after I graduated, couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do, so I went back and got a paralegal certificate, worked as a paralegal, decided I wanted to still do something else, and I went back to law school at Georgia State University College of Law. I am originally from a small city just south of Atlanta called Riverdale. When I was a paralegal, I learned about Watson Spence because we had a few cases that we would send there. And my first year of law school, I came, I interviewed, I summered here, first year, second year, and came back and started working. So for someone coming out of undergrad like me and not knowing what they want to do, I just sampled a bunch of different things and just kind of kept pushing and pushed myself to something that was more challenging that I liked. Ultimately, I decided to go to law school after being a paralegal, people saying, oh yeah, you would be very good at this, and one day I opened a fortune cookie that says you'll be a good attorney. And after that, I found and dusted off my LSAT study book that had been lost for 2 years, studied, took it, and went to Georgia State. So one thing not many people know about me is that I am very much a fan of those dad jokes or those really weird parent jokes. So when I was younger, every time I would tell my mom I'm thirsty, she's like, oh, hi, thirsty, I'm mom. And I was so irritated with it, but as I got older, I am now very much entertained by jokes like that and puns and play on words, and it's developed over time.